I will now call on His Excellency Ambassador Keith George, who will now make a commendation on behalf of the Government of Guyana. His Excellency Ambassador Keith George.
Let me first thank the organizers of today's activities for Your Excellency, Minister of Education and Community Development of the Republic of Suriname, members of the Diplomatic Corps, distinguished officials of the Government of the Republic of Suriname, esteemed President, executives and members of the Suriname Hindu-Guyanese Cultural Organization, distinguished awardees and prospective awardees, special invitees, members of the media. I'm sure that I speak for all of us when I say that we are all proud and honored to have amongst us a true hero. A young man who, when he saw others in danger of losing their lives, did not hesitate to put his own life at risk so that he can save theirs. I met this young Guyanese for the first time last week. My first impression was that this brave son had not realized the depth of the sacrifice that he had made. That perhaps his actions were impulsive. A short few seconds later, I knew that this was no impulsive action. For doctors save lives, but do not necessarily have to put their own lives at risk, and they are allowed to brag about it. Firemen saved lives, but they were trained to do so. There was no bragging or no training for our hero. When one speaks of Riyaz Kamal Chaitra, it is easy to confuse his quiet courage for simple yet dignified humility. His unassuming demeanor for carefree thought, his bright, friendly smile for an easy temperament. But it took all of those qualities, coupled with an overriding sense of humility and love for fellow humans, to plunge into Suriname River, shatter a window with his naked hands, and rescue two scared and anxious persons while sustaining serious injury to his hand. He saved them from what was almost certainly a watery grave. This young man, to whom I have the honor to present a commendation from the Honorable Minister of Foreign Affairs of the Republic of Guyana, on behalf of His Excellency the President and Government of the Republic of Guyana, has made the date 9/11 a date that does not just conjure up images of wanton acts of terror, but of quiet bravery, of one man's selfless determination to save the lives of others. For that, I'm sure we're all grateful. As I invite Mr. Kamal to join me up here, permit me to read for you the commendation from the Honorable Minister of Foreign Affairs to Mr. Riyaz Kamal. I quote, "It was Veronica Roth who wrote in her book Divergent that selflessness and bravery aren't all that different. I'm sure that she is right. However, when those two characteristics are matched by a strong love for humanity, it leads directly to the creation of heroes. I am proud to commend the selflessness, bravery, and heroism of a Guyanese who, without even knowing the people who he risked his own safety for, or perhaps his very life, took action to save two precious lives. Today, the name Riyaz Kamal Chaitra optimizes the true meaning of selfless bravery and unconditional love and care for humanity. Your action that resulted in the saving of two precious lives is a reaffirmation of the innate passion of Guyanese for kindness and goodwill towards all. Your selflessness, bravery, and heroism have made your countrymen and women very proud. I therefore take this opportunity to salute you on behalf of His Excellency the President and Government of the Republic of Guyana and your fellow countrymen and women. Caroline Rodriguez-Marquez, Minister of Foreign Affairs. I I think he deserves a standing ovation for those of us who can stand.